Are you a new sofa but don't want to break the bank? Check out our top 5 best cheap sofas and couches. From ultra-affordable options to high-quality pieces that won't cost a fortune, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Start shopping. So let's get started. List 1. Ego Home Futon Sofa Bed Faux Leather Sofa Couch. The Ego Home Futon Sofa Bed has quite compact proportions and modern appearance. You can enjoy the functionality of a full-size sofa. Ideal for most indoor living places like apartment, living room, office, and etc. The modern and stylish design of this sofa allows it to be adapted to any style of interior. Crafted from smooth faux leather with 6 sturdy chrome metal legs and thick cushion which is filled with memory foam, the sofa is super comfortable and breathable. This futon couch can be used as a couch, lounger, or sleeper bed by setting the sofa backrest upright, slightly reclined, and flat. The split back allows you to control it individually or simultaneously for extra convenience. Futon sofa dimensions: 71 inches long, 33 inches width, 31 inches height. Sleeper bed dimensions: 71 inches long, 42 inches width, 16 inches height. Weight capacity 600 pounds. List number: Mellow Adair Mid-Century Modern Love Seat Sofa Couch with Armrest Pockets. The Better Homes and Gardens Mellow Adair Mid-Century Modern Love Seat Sofa Couch is a versatile piece with the versatility you want. It's the perfect size for small spaces including college dorms, office spaces, and smaller apartments. Its features include lint-resistant polyester linen, real eucalyptus wood frame and legs for sturdy support, real flax linen pillows and storage pockets conveniently located on the armrests to hold your remote control, magazines, and more. Style and convenience in a single design with Mellow. A timeless modern sofa that fits most rooms and adapts to your lifestyle with its modern, comfortable shape. We offer many colors, fabrics, and in different sizes depending on the size of your room. You can customize the look you want by choosing from over 100 vinyl fabrics that come in 5 colors, as well as a leather fabric. Plus, an adjustable cover helps you achieve that perfect fit every time. List number: Edenbrook Linwood Upholstered Sofa Couches for Living Room. This camel small sofa is designed with comfort in mind. With thick foam cushions that create a plush and supportive base, this couch has the perfect blend of comfort and style. Its sleek wooden frame and upholstery add a modern feel, while its buttonless tufting adds a classic feel, with its traditional straight line. The upholstered finish highlights its fine details, including piping and bolster throw pillows that provide extra comfort and are sure to add character to your space. This compact sofa is perfect for small spaces, but still has 3 comfortable seating positions for entertaining and relaxing with friends. The upholstered finish, buttonless tufting, and piping on this sofa create a soft and inviting feel to enhance any home with a modern flair. With a sturdy wooden frame, durable 300-pound weight capacity, and compact size, this camel couch will enhance any living room or den with a contemporary feel. List number: Hanbei Convertible Sectional Sofa Couch. The Hanbei Convertible Sectional Sofa is a modular sectional sofa, which makes it extremely easy to use and customize the living space. This convertible sofa consists of L-shaped high-density sponge, strong frame made of solid wood, and polyester fabric, which are all durable enough to support most people. You can place your sofa any way you like, provided that the stability and safety are guaranteed by the solid wood frame. All modules can be placed arbitrarily according to your needs. There are 20.47 inches L, 20.47 inches Y, 6-inch spaces below each seat to store blankets, children's building blocks, and favorite magazines are perfect. This modular sectional sofa has a high-density sponge filled in the L-shaped construction, which is fairly soft while you sit or lie in relaxing position. Polyester fabric is firm and durable, while solid wood frame supports most people. Chaise can also be used as footstool, so it's great to accompany your favorite modular sectional sofa by adding a little more seating for your friends. List number: S-Right 84.2-inch Mid-Century Sofa Couch. The ergonomics of the sofa is dynamically designed to keep you relaxed. with a tapered design, the deep seat, and soft, premium fabric to ensure maximum comfort. Our large sheepskin upholstery has been made with high-quality materials to keep you relaxed throughout your whole day. This couch will meet all your needs. It was designed for comfort and relaxation. The cushions are filled with memory foam so that you can sit easily and relaxed when enjoying your favorite movie or book. Flexible leg design allows you to place your feet up or down, making this sofa very ideal for anyone who wants to relax and read their book while having a drink at the end of a long day. Its deep 24-inch, 29-inch seat ensures that you will always feel totally comfortable. The comfortable design also makes it highly suitable for sitting at home watching TV, as well as for working on paperwork or reading a book before falling asleep. Plus, comfortable design make it easy to clean.